So line power is going to come into these three terminals on the top of the 800 amp breaker. It's going to distribute down to all the main circuit breakers. This is your phase loss monitor where you can adjust to make sure that all the power is being brought down to the lowest level of dirty power. So you have it set down to 208, up to 10 seconds, up to -20. Alright, so your power will individually land into each respective circuit breaker on the circuit breaker schedule in the drawings. The only applicable circuits that will not go to circuit breakers in the panel are in the LP with the timer designation on the circuit breaker schedule. They will be each individual circuits in line here. None of the wiring for the timer relays will need to be adjusted when it's ordered.